How to create group scheduling events in Acuity Scheduling. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now, if you're just starting out, it's going to look exactly like this. If not, it's going to be a little bit different, but you will get the idea in general. So, if it's your first time, you'll find the home space looking exactly like this. And if you went to the calendar or something, you just want to basically go to the home page. So just make sure you're in the home page of Acuity. And basically all we need to do is just go ahead and create a appointment type in order to continue. So you just want to go to create appointment type. If it's exactly like this, then you're good to go. If not, you will find the button somewhere on your screen. Click on that and you will be able to create your appointment. So by default, most of the time it's going to be a personal one-on-one appointment where you would want to teach somebody or give them a whatever it may be, a type of service that you're actually offering. But what we want now is that the appointment size to become class or a group, which is going to make things a little bit different. And then you just want to go ahead and give it a name. So I'm just going to name it test group event. The duration in minutes, you just want to state that. So let's say it's an hour long. And then we also can or cannot set a price for it if you want to, or if you don't want to, it's completely up to you. Let's just say it's 50 or something. And then we can also do open slots per class. So you can just go ahead and set up the maximum number of people that can actually join in your class. So let's just say 10 people at a time. And then we can also choose more stuff. So here is going to be pretty much the date and time on when this class is pretty much available. And you can actually make it reoccurring as well if you want to. So here you can actually see the option whether it's a reoccurring class or not. So if he states no, there are not going to be any more options. If yes, then you obviously would want to fill in the type of like how many times you actually want to repeat it and all of that. But the first thing is going to be day offered. You would want to basically offer the select the day. So let's say Monday, and then the time offered. So let's say it starts at 9 a.m. And then we can also change this to yes. And obviously if that's the case, then you can just make it every Monday, every other Monday, every fourth Monday, or even, I believe, daily. First, I'm not sure if you can actually set up a custom one or not, but you have these options to select from. And then you can also set it how many times it actually is going to reoccur. In my case, I'm just going to do no, and then click on create appointment type. And this is pretty much all. Now you can actually go ahead and share it with other people and let people join your event. And by the way, if you're wondering how to share it with others, you just want to go to your Acuity profile and you just want to scroll down until you find business settings, click on appointment types, and you should find all of them in here listed. And you can just go ahead and click on one of them and you will be able to basically share it. But mine is not available, so don't really have a link for it. But if it is available, then in that case, you can actually go ahead and get a link from it and copy it and paste it to other people. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.